You want to talk a little bit about the inventory and the appraisal as the administrator or executor?
Sure. So once you get your letter of authority appointing you as executor administrator, then you can go to a bank. If you knew they had a West Banco checking account, but the bank wouldn't talk to you before, now that you have this letter of authority, they can talk to you and let you know how much exactly was in that bank account at the time of decedent passed, and that's the value that you'll end up putting on the inventory. So the difference between the 4.0, which was the application, where we just had an estimate of the value, the inventory requires actual value. So for houses, real estate will typically use the auditor's value. If the family decides to sell it, sometimes they'll want an appraiser. So you can apply to the court to get an appraiser appointed who can then go out and give an up-to-date value on any real estate. If there's items that don't have a readily ascertainable value, such as a card collection, or we had he had a lot of trailers. So we had an auctioneer go out and appraise the assets, and then that's the amount that we would put on the inventory. So for vehicles, we can use Kelley Blue Book as long as the car is not older than 1992. If you have an older vehicle, then we'll likely need to find an appraiser who can go out and get an actual value for that car as well. And then we'll put it on the 6.0, which is the inventory and appraisal. There's a schedule of assets that will list the assets along with the either appraised or the exact amount for like bank accounts and things like that, which I know will show you an example of what an inventory looks like as well.
Yeah, let me get that up for you, Nat.